It's a 2013 Ford Expedition. The key won't come out of the ignition. Works just, everything else works fine. The truck starts up, everything runs, but the key won't come back to the point where it'll come out of the ignition. The reason is that this old shifter assembly is broken. So let's go ahead and unplug it. There we go. And now we'll plug in our new shifter that we bought from Ford Parts, and key goes back and comes out. Just happened last week. I moved the truck out of the driveway to the street and couldn't get the key out of it, so I didn't want to leave it up there because it could have been stolen. But yeah, if your key won't come out, it's because, well, especially at least on this particular vehicle, it's because this component right here of the shifter broke, and that has to do with this sensor that detects whether or not the vehicle is in park. I guess this spring pushes on it somehow, but this part broke at only 100,000 miles in a 2013 Ford Expedition. It's a little bit frustrating Ford. This same shifter I've seen on YouTube is in F150s as well, because I went to YouTube for advice on how to pull this thing out and all that. So if your ignition is stuck, that's why. If your key is stuck in the ignition, that's why. Get a new one of these and you'll be all set up.